Hello guys, I am Sundar. I welcome you in Coding with Sundar Chawla channel. So today we will make a play and study app in which there will be a timer in play screen or study screen, and there will be a game in play screen. So we will make in app lab. So first open app lab in code.org. First rename this project. This is our project name, play and study app. So there are three screens. First will be the main screen. This is our main screen. This is the theme of our screen. We have to make two buttons here. I will make square button, so I will change the width of it to 0 and name it as study button. Study button and write study in the text. We have to increase the font size. I will make it 40 and change its color. This is the color of our study button, and we will take one more button here, which will be the study button. Oh sorry, play button. So I will make it to square. And I will name it as play button. And write play in its text and increase its font size. I will name it as write play game in its text and increase its text. Font size will be 50. And I will change the text color to I will change it to I want red color, so I will change it to red and change study button width. And I want one new screen, so I will click on new screen I will name it as study screen. And its background color will be to yellow. I am making it pastel theme. I will take a label here. This is a label in which the time will recorded. I will change its width to 0. And name it as label timer. And I am going to increase the font size to 50. And write nothing in its text. And I want some buttons. A start button, I will write start button, and write start in its text. And I want one more button. There are 3 buttons. One is study button and play button in the main screen. And in the study screen there are 3 buttons. First is start button, second is stop button, and third is reset button. And I will name it as stop button. Stop button and write stop in its text. And I will take one more button, which is the reset button. I will write reset in it and change its border radius to 0. Like this. And our study screen is ready. And I have to design for my play screen, and I will take a new screen and name it as play screen. And take its background to berry patch or cucumber. I will take berry patch And I will take a label here, two labels. First, change the label's width to 0, border radius to 0, and name it as score. And write score in its text. And I will change the font size to 20. Take a new label. Change the label border to 0. And I will name it as what is score label. What is score label? And there will be a cube there. Cube, take a new button. Change its border to 0. And name it as cube button. And I will write catch me in its text. So now I will start coding. First, we will take set screen to like whenever the run button is click, set screen to main screen, and take on event when first we will code for play button. When play button click, set screen to play screen. Now take a variable. We will make a variable. Go to variable, take variable x is equal to 0. Take x to 0. And now we will take on event and put it inside this on event when button cube click, cube button click, take set property cube button. This is new in my video that I have make a variable first time. And one more thing is new in my video. We will take a new thing called RGB. RGB means the mixture of red, green and blue color. First, I have to take set property cube button and background color, and then put RGB. and we will take a random number. Means there are 0 to 256 shades of colors. If we have to change the color of this cube, we will take 0 to 255 and take a new random number and put its range to 0 to 255. Now color of play screen is very dark. We will change its color to cucumber. And change its text to nothing. And we have to put random number in this, and this 0.5 is transparency. We will make its transparency to 1 and take set position, of cube button, and we will take a random number from math. Random number first we will write 40 to 280, and then we will write 70 to 400. Now we don't have to change its length and breadth, so we will go to design, click on cube button and see its length and breadth, width and height. 70 is the width and 40 is the height. We will write 70 and 40 here. Like this, I will clicking on play game. It is changing color and moving here and there. And we will go to variables, take x is equal to x plus 1. Means we have make a variable x, and now we will take x plus 1, means the score plus 1, and take set number to what is score, that I have make a button. Where is the button? Set number it is not showing our what is score button. Go to design, click on what is score. Now come back. This is our what is score button. We will take what is score. I can't take what is score. I will retake it, convert is score, and write the variable name here. Our variable was x, so I will write x. And we will take a new thing, which is time loop. Means within the time, this is 1000 milliseconds, and 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. We will do 2000 milliseconds, means after 2000 milliseconds, if we don't click on Q button, it will change x minus 1, means our score minus 1. X is equal to x minus 1, and set number we will take what is score and write x here. And now we will take on event button. On event, when study button click, now we are coding for the study button. First was play button, and now our study button of study screen. This is the study button, and now when study button click, we will take set screen to study screen. Means when we click on study button, it will change our screen to study screen. And we will make a new variable. We will write r here. R is equal to 0. Be careful while writing this variable, while making this variable and changing it, like x is equal to x minus 1. We have to remember this variable. First we have to take x is equal to 0, x is equal to x plus 1, and x is equal to x minus 1. And then we will take r is equal to 0, means we will make a new variable, and we will take on event, means when we click on start button, we have make the start button in study screen, this start button. When start button click, we will take time loop. Time loop, we will take 1000 milliseconds, means after 1 second. R, we will take R is equal to R plus 1. R plus 1, and take set number. The number will appear in label timer. This label timer, we will write R here, the variable name, and take set property label timer text color. We will also change the text color and take RGB here. Take random number 2 times. make 0 to 255 in each random number block. And make its transparency to 1. We will repeat on event loop. Take a new on event loop. When button stop button click, and there is a new thing, stop time loop, that the number will change. Like when we start the button, the timer will start like this, and if we click on stop, the time loop will stop. It will working after 1 second now, so it will stop now. And take on event when reset button click, means when we click on reset button, our variable r will change to 0. And take set number label timer, write r the variable name here. So like the timer starts, and if we click on stop, the timer will stop. And if the timer starts, if we click on reset, the time will change to 0. And this is the play screen. When we click on catch me, it will change the color, and move here and there. This is not working smoothly. Now it is working smoothly. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel Coding with Sundar Chawla. Like this video, and like range of this video is 100. If the like range gets completed, I will give you link of my any project. You can comment me and I will give you link of my project that you have commented me in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.